Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin. Is the Santa rally on? Is the Fed going to cut interest rates tomorrow? What is the outlook for January 2025? What is going to be the prediction for Ethereum and altcoins? Are altcoins in trouble? I'm going to answer to you all these questions. So stay with me until the end because I'm going to drop you a bomb of a video based on the data, on the facts, and not on opinions as always, guys. Now, straight away, I want to show you markets are expecting tomorrow a December Fed rate cut, but future policy looks uncertain. So tomorrow we're going to have the FOMC decision. Jerome Powell is going to decide whether they're going to cut interest rate, which I think they're going to do that. And that could be triggering what we call the Santa rally. Santa rally is pretty much a phenomenon where you can see the price that pumps up like crazy until pretty much Christmas, until January, and then of course can retrace a little bit. But in the meanwhile, guys, Bitcoin has been pumping up to 106,000, 107,000, doesn't want to stop, whereas the altcoins have not performed very well. And the question is, what are you doing right now to protect yourself? Are you into a community of professional traders that they know what they're doing? Are you making money day by day, longing and short in the market, or are you just sitting on your hands hoping for something to happen? Well, if that's the case, you can come on our VIP group, guys. Our VIP group, you can see over here, guys, we went up right now almost 200 members. Our trading results speak for themselves. Trading calls by myself and also my other pro members, guys. You can see over here, Jeremy and Kat calls. This is Jeremy profit and loss, guys. Out of 13 trades, 12 out of 13, 92% winning rate. My other pro member, Shellcat, has a very similar rate, guys. We are killing this market. Bitcoin analysis every single day. Altcoin analysis at request of all of your favorite altcoins. We discuss macro, altcoins long term, anything you can think of to be able to succeed in this crypto market and be updated every single day. So if you want to really a good quality place to be into this very uncertain market, guys, come on the VIP group. A link in the description. There is a membership over here. You can go from here, watch a free training, free trader I just designed for you over here. There is also our trading results down to here, guys, since March 2024, all documented with our entry points, exit point, everything transparent over here. But now let's go back into Bitcoin, guys. BTC, as you can see from now, we are up to 106,200, doesn't want to stop. And the question, of course, you're asking yourself, can it go even higher? Well, if tomorrow we're going to see a rate cut by the Federal Reserve, I'm expecting BTC to then form what we call a local top. Local top is going to be a place where Bitcoin is probably going to go up, it's going to top up, and then it's going to have a little bit of consolidation to the downside. I'm going to show you the targets right now. And at that time, the what's it called? The altcoins could actually pump to the upside. So right now, the reason why I feel that Bitcoin still has some room to move to the upside, first of all, is to look at for example, at the volume footprint. The volume footprint is a pretty much a tool that we can utilize to understand what's going on with buyers and sellers. If you want to know more about these guys, VIP group is the way to go. And you can see that right now, you don't see real sellers right now, guys. Everybody's talking about now the insiders are selling, whales are selling. I mean, 10,000 delta, 6,000 delta. What are they talking about, really? Like, it's completely no sense. So right now, I'm expecting this it can continue to go higher. I don't see any signs right now of a potential local top and reversal. So looking at this, I would say that we still have room to move to the upside. What I think I'm actually starting to get a little bit, I would say, concerned and a little bit cautious is the fact that right now, if Bitcoin is going to pump up to this area over here on the daily, we could be seeing like an RSI probably come up to this area over here and potentially forming what we call a bearish divergence. So it would really make sense that Bitcoin could be forming a local top around this area over here after the Santa's rally, and then maybe before Trump inauguration, we could be seeing some sell-off or some side. And to be honest, right, looking at this, I could be seeing that BTC could be having a pump up to probably 110, probably 115,000, then have a correction to the downside, and then another impulse to the upside. And all of this is going to be extremely healthy. I know you want the market to pump to 200K in 2 seconds, right? But that doesn't work in the trading world. What do you want to see? You want to see a nice, healthy price action, local top, correction, rebound, and up again. That's what you want to see. But what I really would like to show you as well is that what happened in 2020, because really this cycle is very similar to 2020. And I want to show you what happened at that time to make you understand where we are in the cycle and what to expect for January, February 2025. Then we're going to talk about Ethereum and all of that. And I'm going to show you from here. First of all, I want to show you something else. Liquidity heat map, guys. You can see that right now there are so many short orders accumulating at 1.8, 110, 111. And basically, this is telling us, right, that everybody is trying to short the, the top. But we have so many orders up to like 150,000. So the thing is, market makers, what they can do, they can keep pushing the price up to this area over here until all these shorters are going to get exhausted. And once everything is going to get exhausted, then they can dump the market. So if you actually have a look at the past, you can see that what happened over here. I'm going to go back into 2020. I'm going to change over here and just go into our candles, and I'm going to show you what happened in 2020. I'm going to go on the daily chart so you can see a little bit better. So in general, what you can see from here is that Bitcoin in 2020 started to have this crazy pump, and it went up to this level over here until the inauguration and the swear of Joe Biden. So we went up to this area over here, and then of course the price started to go to the downside, and then it went up again. Even if I go on the weekly chart, I'm going to show you why I'm expecting a sort of a correction coming pretty soon. Is the fact that BTC, even from here, when we went in 2020, it went up and up and up. Then it retest down this 9 exponential moving average, and then it started to go up again. Right now in the cycle, we still haven't seen the retrace down to here. We haven't touched this area over here. And this area right now is sitting at roughly $92,000. It's probably increasing as well. But what I'm trying to say is that don't expect BTC now to go to like 140 to 150,000 by just doing this. Because if we look at the previous cycles, what we're going to see is probably going to be something more like that, maybe up to here, down to this area, $93,000, $94,000, and then another pump. So be very careful right now if you're going long, or that's I think we are running out of time to form, I would say, to continue to go higher. And soon enough, we're going to see probably a rally pump, like a center rally, and then it should be more seeing a consolidation. But what does it mean for our altcoins if we are going to see a pump, consolidation, and then down again? First of all, I would like to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be very important. But before I talk about Ethereum, guys, if you want to understand how to trade the markets, and of course, make those kind of results like our VIP members making money every single day, what you can do, you can come on my website, Freedom Trading Academy. You can come over here. I'm going to show you the homepage, and you can watch a free masterclass over here. How to make 20 plus percent per month in under 4 hours per week. Right now, I think we're making 20% per day. But anyway, you can watch it over here. I'm going to show you how you can detect the coins. They can go 300%, 1000%. I'm going to show you my strategy, how I was able to make, transform 200K into 1.1 million in 2023, and now way more. And also how you can make money in 2025. So just watch it. It's a 15 minutes training, guys. It's going to change your life and really make you understand how you can invest and trade in these markets in a very confident manner. But now let's go back into altcoin season. When altcoin season is going to start, when we're going to see our altcoins to go crazy. Right now, you can see that I'm going to give you this analogy with 2020. 2020, we had a drop down to here around November of the Bitcoin dominance, and then Bitcoin, of course, went from like 24,000 to 40,000 until the end of the year. Bitcoin dominance went up like crazy, and then we started to go down like that. Now, looking at 2024, I feel that we are a little bit ahead of the cycle compared to this time over here. And what I can see here for the Bitcoin dominance is that BTC broke a very important level of support from here. Now, everybody's asking this question. Is the Bitcoin dominance going to reclaim this area, going even higher, going, let's say, up to here and do something like this? And in this case over here, I would say that what could be happening? Bitcoin could go up to maybe 120, 130, how much it wants to go. Altcoins are probably going to stall, okay? But regardless, remember this, regardless, if the price is going to go right now, and I'm going to show you from here, with the Bitcoin dominance, right? We're going to have a, a rebound from here, a rejection from this area, continuation to the downside down to 50%, 40%. I don't know how much you want to go down. That's going to be super bullish. But if we are going to see this, and then this, okay, so if Bitcoin is going to go to 130,000 with this movement over here, and altcoins are going to stall, guys, can you imagine what's going to be happening when we're going to go from here to here? No, it's crazy. Like, it's crazy. Like, the amount of trillions that are going to enter into altcoins is going to be insane. So I'm really waiting for that. And also showing you that we're actually in line with time, with the previous cycles in terms of the altcoin season. I want to show you what happened, for example, over here. Cardano had a pump, up to here, which was in 2020. We had a pump up to here around August, even around November. You can see that the all-time high was here of Cardano at 36 cents over here. Then we went really up a little bit, right? Even if you drop a Fibonacci retracement, you can see, I'm going to show you from here. We just retraced to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and then we went down again. But Cardano started to pump properly after the 20th of January when Bitcoin had a correction. So theoretically, right, if you have a look at 2024, even with Cardano, we are exactly at the 38.2%. So looking at the chart from here, what I would say is that Cardano, what it could be doing if Bitcoin goes to 130,000, Cardano could be going probably up to here, to $2, then have a little bit of correction right now. But after that, that's where you're going to see the big movement to the upside. Okay, so looking at the chart from here again, look at the historical pattern. That's where we are. We are here pretty much. Okay, so I think we still got plenty of room to go higher. So I'm not, to be honest, I'm not concerned at all about altcoins. I can see really we could be seeing another explosion to the upside, go to $2, maybe even higher. Who knows? But right now, the more Bitcoin is going to go higher, the better it's going to be. Next one, guys. Ethereum, very similar situation. Ethereum broke its all-time high in February. So until February, it was just like going around. It was just doing nothing pretty much. It went up to here. 4th of January, when we had Joe Biden swearing at the office, doing the oath swearing, he went up to here. He touched the previous all-time high. He had a rejection from like here 1,300 to 915. So he lost like 15-20%, right? And then after that, after February, things just went parabolic. So again, we are, I think, a little bit early to say right now that we're gonna go down. So that's what I can see. And also look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart as well. We can see from here. I'm gonna go in this chart over here. We are exactly with the ETH BTC chart. We are at support over here. So again, until we're not gonna do this, guys, we're not gonna break this channel. We're not gonna go higher. Then Ethereum is gonna still underperform against Bitcoin. But at this point of the cycle, we want BTC right now to form what it wants to form. We want to form a local top, as I said before, around 115,000, around 125,000, something like that. And then what we want to see, we want to see the money to be taken away from BTC and put them into altcoins. But again, what I'm looking right now is that, for example, another thing you can have a look is the total market cap. So total market cap, right, guys? We're still not even as close as the top over here. We can see we are at $3.63 trillion. And what I would say is that if, for example, Bitcoin is going to go up like crazy, okay, it's going to go up to, I don't know, 140, 150, right? It's going to go up to here. Then remember that all this money, once it's going to correct, right, when it's going to have consolidation, all the money is going to be taken into altcoins, and then they should be going, crazy. But right now, 3.63 trillions from here, guys, we're still not close to the top. So what I'm waiting for right now is going to be my first level where I'm going to thinking about taking some profits is going to be a $4.5 trillion. And in that case, I'm expecting altcoins, of course, to perform very, very well. So that's what I can see right now. And guys, to summarize everything again, I think the Fed is going to cut interest rates. We should be seeing a center rally um, coming until the end of the year. Bitcoin should be performing better compared to the other altcoins. But again, guys, if you want to really select the proper altcoins, what to buy and what to sell, understand, to learn what you have to do and to navigate into this crypto market in a proper way. But otherwise, guys, I really hope this video was helpful to make you understand that what we are in the cycle, what's going on. And if you have a question, please leave a comment down below. But otherwise, link in the description for everything I mentioned before. And I'm going to wish you an incredible day ahead of you. And let's say